Hello stock stalkers, welcome back and Ramadan Kareem to everyone. It's been long time since I have posted any video as I was outside the country. However, I'm back and now you will get regular updates from my side. Just before I start this video, I hope you guys have subscribed this IPO of Ansari Financial Services. This one is looking good and it will be listed in Dubai Financial Market on 6th of April. Let's start the video with Dubai Financial Market Index first, and then slowly I will move into the stocks that are looking bullish and potentially has got good chance of going up. Let's have a detailed analysis of the index. I will move up to weekly time frame to see what the market is doing. On the higher time frame, we can see market touched 3470 and from here it found rejection and it came down till about 3270 zone. From here we are seeing a bounce. However, market is now taking a pause after this short recovery. Market is at 3350 area. That is also a support zone. However, as of now, market index is not looking very positive. We can see a sharp decline from the peak that is around 3470 zone. We are seeing mostly red candles and volatile market. Last weekly closing is also not looking positive. There are good chances it can come back to retest this area that is 3300. Now let me remind you guys, this area is very strong support. Whenever market comes at this zone, it takes a bounce and moves up. At the same time, this area is weaker. There are good chances it can even drop till about 3200 area. So this was the weekly chart analysis. Overall, market is still looking negative. It's not bullish. If I move down to daily now, let's see how the market is performing. So we can see a good bounce from this zone that is 3300. From here market went up, but again now it's correcting itself. Well, in order to turn bullish, we want to see market crossing and closing above 3400 to see a bullish price action, and then next hurdle will be 3470, that is major resistance. Yes, we can see it have tried couple of times but it got rejected. It means this is seller's territory, but this zone is still far away. We have other minor resistance also, as I mentioned, 3400, then 3440 and then 3460 area as well. So when the market climbs up, it's really hard in a bearish market to cross the resistance and close above the resistance zone. When market keeps falling, it's very easy to break the support as bear sentiments are stronger than bullish sentiments. Also, as it's Ramadan time, we will be seeing less of volumes comparatively. So let's be patient and select the stocks that are only in an uptrend. We do not want to take any chances when the market or a stock is going sideways. So if I have to recap, there are good chances market can even come down to retest 3300. Once it comes back at the same level, there are good chances now we can see W chart pattern that is bullish, and then we can see upside momentum from here. But as I mentioned, we have to first see close above 3400 in order to market be in a bullish territory. For now, it's still negative. So this was the market index in detail. Let's check out some bullish stocks for coming weeks. First stock is Dewa. After hitting a low of 2.68, it have beautifully recovered. Last closing is also positive at 2.48. We can see it have now established a trend to the upside. Next resistance or the next target should be 2.52. That is a strong resistance area. Just in case if you have entered at 2.38 or 2.40, this should be your first target. However, there are good chances it can even climb up till 2.60. That is a major resistance. Overall, Dewa is looking positive and ready to go higher, provided it should not open with a big gap down. In case if it opens with a gap down, it may come back for a retest and then move higher. There are good chances it can continue this rally if it opens flat or with a small gap up. In case if it opens with a huge gap up, by any chance, we will see profit booking coming as rally have started from this level that is 2.35. So obviously those who bought at these levels will now start booking their profits, so it can come down to retest support zones and then go higher from here. Then we have Salik. No doubt it's in a strong uptrend. Also it's in a bullish chart pattern. It have been breaking resistance and climbing up. We can see support have been retested and now it's ready to go higher. For now, resistance is at 2.90. Once we see a breakout of this level, we can expect it to touch 3.00. Something very interesting that I would like to highlight here is that this zone is now weaker, that is 2.90. It have been tested so many times within a short period, so there are good chances it can break this resistance of 2.90 and go higher. 3.00 is my target. So overall, Salik is also looking very bullish and it's in a strong uptrend. Another interesting stock in Dubai financial market is Unioncoop. It touched 2.20 right here, and from here it started a fresh rally or a trend to the upside. Last closing is very bullish, 2.72 with this solid green candle. My next target for this stock is 2.90. We can see previously rally to the downside started from this zone. Plenty of sellers started selling their stocks, but then we can see a recovery coming right at 2.20 area. From here we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. Most likely it can continue from here. As we say, once the trend is established, there are good chances it will continue in the same direction. So we are seeing a very good recovery. Now let me show you something very interesting in this stock. It's not a V-shaped or a W type of recovery. What I mean is, let me show you, it hit the resistance and from here it came down. We are not seeing a direct recovery like this. What market is doing is, after hitting 2.20, it went up, came down, again it went up, came down, and now it's trying to go up again. It also did not make a U-shaped recovery that is like this. In fact, it's making a zigzag. This is very healthy for the market, for the stock. It can go higher from here. As I mentioned, next target is 2.90. Maybe it can spend some time here and then go higher, or it can continue the rally to the upside. Overall, what I'm trying to say is this Unioncoop is a bullish stock in Dubai financial market. Empower is also a positive stock. I hope you guys purchased right at the breakout of this resistance zone that is somewhere around 1.58 to 1.60. Last closing is at 1.62 after hitting a high of 1.70. Now it's correcting itself. It's still in an uptrend. Chart is not damaged. In fact, there are good chances it can take a bounce from this zone again, that is 1.60, and go higher. Also, if it opens with a gap up, it means buyers are activated again, and it can cross the resistance of 1.66 and go higher from here. I would strongly recommend to hold this stock. In case if you have purchased right at the support zone of 1.50, you can continue holding this stock till you see any bearish reversal. For now, we can see last candle is red, but still there are good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Support is confirmed between 1.57 to 1.60. If it comes down for a retest, it's a buying opportunity again. In case if you have missed the rally at the bottom levels, or if you have already purchased at the lower levels, this will be another opportunity to add more stocks or add more quantity of Empower. Overall, this stock is also very positive and ready to go higher. Gulf Navigation is on a bull run, no doubt, but the only problem with this stock is it's a red flagged company. It means this company is still in losses, so they are trying to recover. As of now, we can see it has started a strong rally to the upside. The beauty about this stock is, after this bullish candle right here, it spent so many days before it made a breakout, so this breakout is sustainable. That is the reason we can see 3 green candles. Last closing is at 1.00. More upside momentum is expected, but this stock is purely on speculation. Fundamentals are weaker. As I just mentioned, this company is going through losses, so if you are a short-term trader, this stock is for you. If you ask me about the support area, this is support for Gulf Navigation. Any rebounds or any retest of this zone is buying opportunity. We can expect it to go higher from here. Keep your targets open for this stock in case if you have already entered. Let your profits run. When you see a bearish reversal, this is the time you will sell and come out of the position. Emaar development is still positive till the time it's above this level, that is 2.25. But for now, it's in a tricky situation till the time it's above these zones. Let me highlight. Resistance is at 5.55. In case if it gaps up and it crosses this level, we can expect it to go higher from here. But if it continues to the downside, that is somewhere around this zone, that is 5.25, either it can bounce off from here and then go up, or it can even break this zone. That's the reason I'm saying it's a tricky stock, because it is stuck within this range. What is the range? 5.25 to 5.55. Yes, when it comes down right here, this can be a buying opportunity. We can place a small stop loss and then we can target 5.55. We can expect a good risk to reward ratio. In case if you want to be patient and catch a nice position or a trade, expect it to come here and then enter the trade. Or if you see a green candle at current levels, then you can expect it to go higher. Once it breaks the resistance of 5.55, we can expect a bigger move. Why is that? Because it have consolidated here for at least 2 weeks and now it's ready to go higher. Previously we saw a fake breakout. This is the beauty. We can see it gapped up and immediately it tried to break the resistance. It failed. That is the reason it's very important to establish support or consolidate right near the resistance and then make a breakout. So it have already spent few days here. If it comes back again at the same level, that is 5.55, it can go higher from here. Chart have become a bit messy with my drawings, but I hope you have understood. If this video was helpful and if you have learned something out of it, do not forget to subscribe, hit like. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.